Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to update any application on Microsoft Store and if you're receiving this error message which says turn on Windows Update is disabled and the error code is 0x80070422. So if you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings, click on Update and Security. Now click on Troubleshoot, then click on Additional Troubleshooter. Now click on Windows Update and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and then try to update your application from Microsoft Store. Now still you're receiving the error message, then restart Windows Update Service. For this, type in Services in Windows search box and then click on Services. Find Windows Update in the list, so scroll down. Now here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then click on Apply. Now if Start is highlighted, click on Start and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected, click on Restart the service. And once this is done, try to update your application from Microsoft Store. The next step is to run Windows Update Reset script. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Copy this link, open it in a browser. Now over here you can see the option which says download Windows Update Reset script for computer running Windows 10. Click over here and download the file. Once the download is complete, click on this download file, then click on show in folder. Go to the download location, make a right click and then click on extract all. Click on extract. And once done, open this folder and then make a right click on WU reset and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and press any key to continue and let the process complete. This process will take some time, so let the process complete. Now if you receive any kind of error message, just ignore it and let the process complete. It may seem that it's stopped, but actually it's running. So let the process complete. Just wait for some time and let all the services start. Now at last here you can see press any key to continue. So you can press any key on the keyboard and the command prompt will close and then you can go ahead and restart your computer and then that error message should go away. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. So open command prompt once again, type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, once this is 100% complete, you can copy this command and run the second command over here. And once that is complete, restart your computer and then that error should go away. Now, if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using Media Creation tool. So for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on download tool now. Once the download is complete, run the exe file. Then you will see this screen. Agree to the terms, click on accept. And then by default, the option to keep personal. Now by default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next and this will take some time. So once the download is complete, now before installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install. And by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now this is checked by default. Do not make any changes over here. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. And then click on install. And after the installation, your Windows will be up to date and this error will go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.